So y'all gonna learn with me together as one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and this is a highly requested video
From 3 people.
to do fried cauliflower buffalo wings. I'm gonna do 3 flavors, and I'm also gonna hit y'all with a vegan blue cheese sauce. Stay tuned. Before we begin with our batter, you're honestly gonna need cauliflower. We're gonna do 1 cup all-purpose seasoning, 1 cup non-dairy milk, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, some paprika. Now watch me whip and nay. A little salt. Try to get your florets as wing-like as possible. You can easily thin out this batter by adding more milk. I already have some canola oil preheating on the stove, so let's put these bad boys into the pan. It's a walk, just walk with me over there. You're gonna fry these until they reach the top or until you see a nice light golden brown to them. Okay, so when you see the cauliflower rising to the top, which is very close to my face right now, but I love y'all, so I'm gonna explain just like this. You're gonna take them on out and pop them on your paper towel to drain. What's up with that? Ooh, look like popcorn chicken. Or hot wings, we're making hot wings. Sorry guys. All right, let's do barbecue wings first. Let me find one that look real wing-like. Look at that. Ooh! All right, for our second batch, we're gonna be using Frank's Red Hot. Yes. For our third one, we're gonna do lemon pepper seasoning. Ooh, they all look just so sexy. Look, guys. All right, aren't these beautiful, guys? We got the hot, lemon pepper, and the barbecue. Get you a piece.
You can't, but I'm gonna give you a lot of pieces.
Alright, let's get started on our vegan blue cheese dressing. You're gonna need 1 cup vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon tahini. Most recipes use tofu, but I'm gonna use half a can of Great Northern beans for the blue cheese chunks. 1/2 tablespoon nutritional yeast. You guys see that texture? See the chunks like blue cheese? That's what you want. All right, now that we're all done, guys, let's call over an avid meat eater to try the cauliflower wing.
I'm Jamal, and I'm an avid meat eater.
You can find his Instagram right here on the screen. Right.
Is it that time?
It's that time. You know, he already said he doesn't like the spicy buffalo, especially because I did not tone them down with butter. So, all right, let's do the lemon pepper first. Ah! Okay, here we go. Yeah.
Tastes like chicken. It does.
It's good. It's good.
It tastes like lemon pepper wings. You need some water though.
You do need some water. This is spicy, a little spicy.
They're good though.
I just tossed them.
Did you pop the whole thing in your mouth like a boneless wing?
I did.
I guess that makes sense. They don't have bones in them, so you can do that.
Choke free. You see what I'm saying? There we go. Okay, you ready for barbecue?
I am.
This is really an executive decision.
Like a chess move. It's good.
So I'm gonna eat the buffalo because he don't do spicy.
The barbecue is really good. Like, I'd get that from Chili's or Applebee's or something.
But way less calories and cruelty free.
Oh, me.
To be fair, guys, when you do make this blue cheese, the longer it sits, the better it's gonna taste. So we just made this tonight. It'll taste better tomorrow, to be honest. But let's see how we feel about it. Really good dip.
I hate blue cheese.
It's not blue cheese.
You know, I don't really do mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is not my thing. The two that I tried were marvelous. I'm surprised. I'm pleasantly surprised.
It's just a really good dip. It's not gonna pull anybody who's an avid blue cheese eater. Sorry he on these mandates, but it's really good.
It's cute.
So you would try cauliflower wings again?
Yes, if you cook them. Only if you cook them, no.
We're gonna call this a success, guys, and we're gonna demolish the rest of this plate. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.